being sued for selling a counterfeit item on eBay. Unfortunately, I don't see eBay taking this back. I don't see it happening. I guess let this serve as a warning for anybody who is choosing to sell on eBay. So first thing this morning, a TikTok video was suggested to me, and I wanted to talk about it today because it has to do with selling on eBay and the threat of being sued for selling counterfeit items. As I have mentioned in the past, I was previously an Amazon seller, and selling counterfeit items was something that was constantly an issue with selling on Amazon. I would constantly be hit with counterfeit claims, IP complaints, and it was so much stress when you're just trying to sell items and make some money. That was one of the things that I always liked about eBay, is that it wasn't as prominent on eBay as it was on Amazon. But over the recent years, it's starting to become more and more of a thing on eBay. I have received some notifications from eBay about suspected counterfeit behavior of mine in the past, maybe 1 or 2 items, but it never went this far. This video was posted a few weeks ago by TikTok user Christie's Cats. Already the caption of her video says, "Sued for counterfeiting on eBay." Let's see what she has to say.
These are some things you should be aware of if you're going to sell on eBay. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but like 2 days before Christmas, I got a lawsuit. So 2 days before Christmas, there was a knock at my door, and I was handed lawsuit paper that I was being sued for counterfeiting. So I had posted this item on eBay. I had originally bought it for my daughter. She never used it. It was brand new. It was called Cami Secret. It is this little inverted V that you put, like clip it to your shirt if you have a V-neck, so nothing shows. I basically got $9 for it after all the eBay's fees. A couple months down the road, I get this violation, and then this thing at my door. I send a response saying, "Hey, we were homeless. I'm a single mom. I wasn't trying to infringe on your design, whatever." They don't respond. No response. Then all of a sudden, eBay bans my account. They send me an email saying that there was a ruling against me. And they send me a link for it, but the link doesn't work. It goes nowhere. So I'm like, what is going on here? So I email this law firm again. She responds really quickly and says, just sign this and it'll be all over. You don't know anything. So I sign it. She said, as soon as you sign that, we'll lift the restriction and we'll file a dismissal in court. Okay, I'm going to do that because I don't want anything to do with this. So I do. But eBay still like, oh no, we're still not lifting that now. And now they're basically saying I'm a serial, counterfeiter because I sold this Spirit Halloween Barbie costume that was secondhand. But I looked it up on AI. I looked it up everywhere. It's a licensed product, but they're claiming it's not. They have so many counterfeit things on their website. Like, why are they coming after me? Why are these people all coming after me? I feel like somebody hates me and is reporting me. I don't know what is going on.
So, okay, her video is almost done. I was trying to not stop it so that we can hear the whole thing. So she was basically saying that a little bit before Christmas last year, she was given paperwork because she was being sued for selling a counterfeit item on eBay, which now, I have kind of scrolled through her previous TikToks, and it does look like she was dealing with being homeless for a while, and she's a single mom. So she's in an apartment now, thank God. But that's just to say she had other things that she was worrying about. So getting this lawsuit sent to her right before Christmas, it was probably the last thing that she wanted to deal with. Honestly, she might have even thought that it wasn't even that big of a deal. Maybe it was just like a drafted letter to try to scare her, because she sold this item. I think I can't remember what the brand was, but it was like, I've seen the commercials for those when they first became a thing a long time ago. It's like a triangular lace piece that you put so that low-cut shirts you're a little bit more modest on, and it's a piece of lace. And I guess she sold one, and she made like $9 on it, and someone is going after her for selling counterfeit of their products. And she had a judgment ruled against her, and the company was able to take that judgment, submit it to eBay, and it got her eBay account closed, banned forever. And now she's talking about, there was another item that she got in trouble for with eBay. And no, I don't think that, somebody's just picking on her and reporting her. I think that her account had some red flags raised. And so eBay is kind of cracking down a little bit more on accounts that have multiple violations on them. Does that make sense?
I don't sell on eBay for a living, but I do use it as part of my income, to buy things we need around the house or with the cats. So I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do about it. At this point, I just basically signed away my right to do anything, but I just wanted to get my account back. But I don't know. I'd be really leery if I were you selling on eBay. If anybody knows another app where you can sell things and not be accused of counterfeiting, please let me know.
Okay, so that's the end of that video. Also, something else that she addresses is that she has seemingly wrapped all of this up with the company. She signed papers. They said, okay, it's fine. We'll be done with you. The problem here and now lies, eBay is not giving her back her account. And honestly, I don't see eBay giving her back her account. I don't. I think that the account was closed and they just want to have nothing else to do with it. It doesn't matter if there's paperwork, kind of going back and saying, no, it's okay. The person that, the company that sued her ended up retracting and dropped the case and all of that. Unfortunately, I don't see eBay taking this back. I don't see it happening. So I went to the comment section because I wanted to see what people were saying. And the very first comment, the top comment out of 141 comments at this time, was someone who says, sad that people make up these elaborate BS stories for attention. Anyone who sells on eBay knows that this is 110% BS. So then I went to her page and swiped, and she actually responded to this person's comment showing the receipts of her actually getting these papers. So she's covering up a lot of, the detailed information, of course, but this is the packet of the certified letters that she got. It looks like this was back in December 23rd. She's kind of covering up the date with the comment, but I would assume it's December, or it could have been November. She did say a couple of days before Christmas, but let's just say December 23rd, 2024. The law offices via receipt mail. And then there's a lawsuit has been filed against you within 21 days after service of the summons on you, not counting the day you received it, or 60 days. Blah, 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 blah. The answer of motion must be served on the plaintiff's or plaintiff's attorney whose names and addresses are, and then she has that all blocked out. And then complaint filed under seal, demand for jury trial is the next one. And then complaint for damages and injunctive relief. Plaintiff hereby sues defendants, the individuals, partnerships, and unincorporated associations identified in the caption, which are set forth as Schedule A hereto. Collectively, defendants, all defendants are knowingly, and then it's kind of blocked out, promoting, advertising, distributing, offering for sale, and selling patent, and then it's blocked out, versions of plaintiff's patented. It's saying that their design is patented and this person is selling items of a patented design. And then here is a photo of her eBay account, and it says, your eBay account has been suspended because of violation of eBay site policy. During the suspension, you cannot use eBay in any way, including registering a new account or using an additional existing account if you owe seller fees, eBay, blah, 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 blah. So she was legitimately served and sued. I guess let this serve as a warning for anybody who is choosing to sell on eBay. Let it serve as a warning that these kind of things do happen. Even if you're not a full-time seller, even if you're selling something for less than $10, even if you're not making a lot of money, companies can still sue you for selling their products. Now, is anybody intentionally selling these products? Probably not, but the companies themselves don't care about that. The companies themselves just want you to refrain from selling their products. So if you happen to have something like this happen to you, remember, you have to respond. If you just ignore it, it doesn't go away. If you just ignore it, what will end up happening is that there will be a judgment against you because you will miss the court date. And then as a result, you will instantaneously lose your eBay account. You won't be able to get it back and you won't be able to open another one. I will make sure to link her TikTok account down in the video description below. So if you want to go give her a follow, or if you want to go give her some words of wisdom, let her know what other apps she might be able to sell on. Go give her some feedback, maybe say a few words to make her feel a little bit better. This woman has been through a lot lately. And just when things were finally starting to look up, this happens to her. And it can be such a punch in the gut. So if you want to go check her out, give her a follow, give her some words of support, I will link her down in the video description. Today's video is brought to you by me and my family-owned and operated small business, Kinda Nutty. Our most popular products include our cinnamon glazed carnival nuts. This includes our signature flavored pecans, almonds, cashews, and peanuts. We also have other sweet treats like a variety of dipped nuts, as well as a wide variety of saltwater taffies. Head on over to kindanutty.com and use code YouTube to get 10% off of your order today. If you liked this video, remember to hit the thumbs up before you leave. I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. Ring the notification bell. That way you're notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.